look perfect. How old are you? Where are you going?
4.
You're 4 now?
And yeah, and look how high I am.
You're almost at the top of my workbench.
I'm almost right there.
And in a few days, how old are you going to be?
Oh, 5.
That's right.
What? When I be 5,
Yeah.
I'll go like, hey, do I go something? It was just me in my hat.
You know what? Everybody on YouTube has watched you grow that have been with us for so many years, and now you're 5. Half of them can't believe you're 5 years old already. Would you like an early birthday present, even though your birthday is not till October 26th? Would you like a birthday present right now?
Yes!
It's very nice outside. I think we should have fun with your very first fast RC. What do you think? Yeah? Let's get the box.
Because you know what? I'm meant for fast now. Because I show you?
How fast are you? What? Whoa! Don't clobber yourself. Wow. You run great for wearing boots. It's amazing, dude. You know it's a good birthday present when you gotta move it like that. Whoa!
How's that?
Super strong. Oh, your very first slash.
What is that?
Hold on, I'm gonna show you.
Whoa, it's super heavy too.
Look at the muscles on you.
If it was like this small,
Can you, yeah?
I would even lift it with one hand. I would go like.
I don't think you can though. Can you lift out this box?
That one?
Yep, there you go. Use your muscles.
Why two?
Right in the middle. You gotta do it in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, so it's your birthday, and you get to choose which one you want, of course. Would you like to take the lids off first, and then you can choose?
Yes.
Okay, good. You're happy? Are you excited? Okay, because I know you like your red Traxxas, your TRX4. These are 2-wheel drive brushless slashes. Rip it off. Yeah. There, beautiful. This is so an adult job. Watch your fingers. There's one. Let's do this one as well. Ta-da! Here's the big moment. Ta-da! I did a video about the Mark Jenkins Traxxas Ultimate. I remember a long time ago.
Something.
I know, those are the extra parts. And there's a radio in there. Crawl right in and get it.
Know what?
Yeah.
Gotta take my hat off.
Yeah. There you go. How are you in there? Is everything good?
Yep.
You could have opened the other side up, but I think a tunnel is a great thing.
Thanks.
Yeah. Look at you, smart kid. There you go. It did have another side to it. We could have opened to the other end.
I like it.
Uh-huh.
Close your eyes, everybody.
Close our eyes. Ta-da! Wow. Blue and red. Now we can see each other on the racetrack.
Yeah, maybe we can play with them.
Absolutely. That's the whole point. Side by side. I know you really like the red ring tires, right? The beadlock, which is a glued tire, but a red ring on these tires. Chrome on these tires.
You know what? I put chrome tires.
Which body do you want? Do you want to flip them around?
Yeah, let's flip them around.
Go ahead, let's change them around then. So now the red gets the chrome and the blue gets the red. Okay.
Does that one look good?
They both look fantastic.
You switch them out.
What do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah, you want the blue one?
Yeah.
You do?
Do you like the red one?
I love the red one. If you want the blue one, I think that's whatever you say, kiddo.
Yeah, let's do the blue.
Let's put a battery in it and go try them out. So, number one, we take out the body paint in the front.
In the front.
And then we lift up the battery tray. We lift it up and slide it out. Yeah, lift and wiggle. Back and forth. There you go. Then you take your battery. Put it in. Then you take your battery stop.
Yeah.
And slide that through. Yeah, just like that. Over to the toolbox, get out some batteries. We're gonna need 4 per radio.
You go faster than me.
No, our vehicles go the same speed.
Oh.
Yeah.
2 so and 2 so.
Okay, to all the dads and moms that are watching, make sure when you get 2 radios that are identical that you actually take the time, put some masking tape on the bottom, use a felt marker, just write the name of the truck that's on the bottom and who it belongs to, and then you guys don't ever have any, you know, whose radio is this kind of conversations. This is a very proud moment for me, son.
Yes.
This is your first time with a fast vehicle. We get to go and have a good time.
It just
What?
fell down.
I know it was. Are you ready to give this a rip or what?
Yes.
Okay, now number 1, make sure your steering trim is in the center. It's got to be right at the top. Okay, so mine's at 0, that little dimple right at the top.
Yep, right at the top.
And then the second one has to go right at the top as well. There you go. You ready to rip?
Yep.
Hey! This is going to be a lot faster than your trail truck, bud. You want to go over to the field? You got to see it. Stop. There you go. Look how far away you are. Come over by Dad. You're shorter than I am. Come over here. He doesn't want my instruction anymore. Now that he's 5, he's pretty much got it figured out. Looking good, dude. Hey, looks nice. Give her a rip. Go ahead. I'll follow it around. Get your stretch.
We do it on the racetrack first.
You want to go to the racetrack? Sure. Woohoo!
Beep beep.
Beep beep. I'm right behind you, kid. Oh, you hit the pylon. 2-wheel drive. There you go. It only has power in the rear wheels. The beginning. Hello. Good to see you too.
Good to see you too.
Would you like to see how fast I am?
Yeah, would you like to see how fast I am?
Let's go. Oh, eat my dirt. Oh, nice. Bring it back. Right on.
I think we should do it on the field. You're right.
Why?
Because then we wouldn't fall in some holes. Can we dig some holes?
Do you want to try the driver's stand? Let's go up to the driver's stand.
No.
Let's do the field.
Hey, my truck is like mowing the grass.
I know it's mowing the grass because you're ripping it. Look at Pumpkin.
There you go.
Go ahead. That cat is loving the warm weather. Oh, got him a little bit. Oh, I didn't care. Don't hit the cat! Thank you. Very good job. Come on over here, young blood. Okay, now stand right here if you could. Right beside me. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can see the middle of the berm. Look at over here. Right over there. See the middle, the crest?
Mm-hmm.
Just watch Dad, okay? So I'm not really going to be steering. I'm just going in a straight line, nice and slow. Okay, but when I get to the top of the jump, I stop pushing the throttle. I just let off. You go ahead, try it out. Holy frick, you just did it, dude.
How's that?
Freaking awesome and higher than Dad. I'm disappointed in myself.
You go a little faster this time.
More faster, yes.
Then you go high.
Thank you for that advice. Yeah, all the way to the left and then just throttle. That's right. Power down. There! Ah, eat that, Dad! Oh! I have waited so long to have Maurice running a faster vehicle. He's definitely at that time and age where I thought a 2-wheel drive... No, I'm good. I figured a 2-wheel drive on a 2S LiPo was a good way to introduce him to a faster vehicle. as well as out in a wide open field for obvious reasons. He is now almost 5 years old, as you figured out, and definitely can handle his radio much better. Obviously his life has been full of radio control stuff already, so he's got a pretty good handle on it for a young fella. The biggest thing that we had a hard time with was his hand fitting around most of these radios, and really his hand didn't grow big enough until he was about 4.5, you know. Hey, can your hand fit around the radio properly now? Or just barely? Yeah, looks fine to me. What's that?
Where are you driving?
You know what? Look! Look at them!
Whoa! How are they fast?
This is not... Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Let's see. Beep beep!
Please get out of the way.
Yes, I will get out of your way.
Whoa! That's
Wow.
a rock spitter. That is fast.
See, like this?
Yeah.
This is down very fast. This is up.
That's actually traction control, young fella. You turn off your traction control so you can do the spin outs.
Wow.
There you go. His first big RC gem. His first
freaking
fast
love it.
one.
I love it.
Like it.
And it's so fast.
He's doing it already. Yeah, these are the ones we're going to put the skis on so we can play with them in the snow.
You know what, Mom? Do you want to have it on?
Here.
Oh,
Mom's a pro at this kind of stuff. A pro.
a pro.
Mom on the two-wheel drive.
Wow, you know what? You're right. Skis on this thing will be fun.
Yes, nice and light for the snow, which is imminent. You gonna drive with Mom or just watch her?
Oh man, the rock kick up is awesome.
Oh yes, he's a heavy throttle.
Mom.
Yeah, burning rubber. Look at my family having fun with RC.
Fun.
Yes.
Fast ones.
Oh, bank.
And that's why we wear boots.
Yes.
Keeps your ankles protected.
Hey, Knuckles, kiddo. You like it?
Yeah.
That's a good birthday present, yeah?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you too.
Hey, high five. It's not my birthday, but it's yours.